You're watching Batesi TV.
Good evening and welcome to Batesi TV's very own Kimat Kimat. I am Felicia Lalu and I'll be bringing today's top local stories in a quick, clear and to-point format. A leader of United Democratic Party, Robert June Kharjarin, has stated that the current MDC election is significantly different from all previous MDC elections. He mentioned that, in the past, political parties have always debated on how to further strengthen the power of the district councils to preserve and safeguard traditional customs. However, he pointed out that this time, a party has emerged that advocates for mother tradition, which opposes the preservation of customary traditions. Robert Kharjarin made this statement on the evening of February 17, 2025 during an election campaign event for UDP candidate Gilbert Lalu in Millim. NPP candidate for Millim constituency, Bafain Star Kharkongor, stated that he resigned from his job at the Millim CNRD block because of his strong desire to serve the people of Millim constituency and the community as a whole. He recalled that, as a young man from Millim, he has contributed to society in various capacities. He expressed his hope that if the people elect him as their MDC, he would be able to serve them even better. The election campaign rally for NPP candidate Bafain Star Kharkongor witnessed a massive turnout on the evening of February 17, 2025 in Millim. People from all walks of life gathered to listen to the candidate and other NPP leaders. Speaking at the event, Bahamlet recalled the various developmental works he had undertaken for Millim constituency during his tenure as an MLA. He urged the people to carefully assess their choices before casting their votes, as he believed many had regretted their decisions in the year 2023 elections. The Congress Party held an energetic election campaign meeting on the evening of February 17, 2025 in Maulai Mautawar. During the event, the party's candidate, Bakwan Seng Jirwa, explained the party's agenda and his vision for contesting the upcoming Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections. He also sought votes of the residents of the locality in the upcoming election. On February 17, 2025, Ba Augusta Jirwa, the United Democratic Party candidate from Jayau Mauprem constituency, held an election campaign meeting in Kerbau Mauprem. Ba Augusta Jirwa emphasized the invaluable contributions of Reverend J.J.M. Nichols-Roy, who is instrumental in securing the 6th schedule, which protects the Khasi community. In this context, he asked, if we do not have the 6th schedule, what will happen to our land and our people? The 5 candidates contesting the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections from Maulai constituency continued their participation in a common platform debate organized by the Darbar of Maulai Nonglom on February 18, 2025. Independent candidates Ba Proses T. Saukume, Ba Tebor Pathau, Ba Seborlang Lingdok Nonglat, BJP candidate Kong Daniela Lingdok Nonglat, and Congress candidate Ba Wan Seng Jirwa each presented their individual perspective, highlighted their key agendas, and defended their views based on their understanding and experience. A heavy police presence was seen in Maungap Klishnong to prevent any disturbances during the election of the village headman, which was conducted by Hima Mauplang under the supervision of officers from the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Out of 202 eligible voters, more than 150 refused to vote in protest against the decision of the Lingdor of Hima Mauplang, who did not allow the former village headman, Ba Khambor Khashandi, to contest. 2 candidates contested the election, Ba Kintiubor Langste and Ba Osterland Kirim. Meanwhile, the group led by former headman Ba Khambor Khashandi also shared their concerns on the matter. 2 village headmen from the Sunjuk Kirang Bashnong of Rat Yapnar, Ba Arsim, headman of Larslut, and the headman of Itsop Pair, have demanded clarification from a man from Nongrim Nonglado village in Riboy district regarding an audio recording he shared. The demand, made on February 18, 2025, centers around whether the voice in the audio is genuinely that of Bakte Bolang Pathau, contesting from Maulai constituency in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election, strongly criticized those questioning his past work. Speaking at a debate in Maulai Nonglom, Bak Pathau questioned his critics, asking, "What does my work have to do with the MDC election, and why are people fear-mongering that my contributions would come to an end. He also took aim at Maulai MLA Ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang regarding the border agreement under the MDA government by saying, "What kind of community defenders do they want to be? As an MDC, I have personally visited this border area and found that no Khasi people are residing there anymore." He said that he would resign from politics if the allegations are proven true. But Jonathan Aim, the Congress candidate from Sorenkham constituency, addressed a public gathering in Maulindray on the evening of February 17, 2025, to highlight the party's core principles and his reasons for contesting the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election. But Jonathan emphasized the Congress party's contributions, including its role in securing full statehood for Meghalaya and implementing the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which safeguards the rights of the indigenous communities in the state and across the country, and as such, it is only the Congress party that can secure the future of the Khasi community. But Lawan Pinchnganyawar, the Congress candidate from Mairang Nongklau constituency, addressed the public on February 18, 2025 at Donkey Ingding village in the run-up to the upcoming Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections. During his speech, Bakwa requested the people of Donkey Ingding to grant him 5 years and evaluate his work to see how he performs if elected as their representative to the district council. The Sinjuk Kirang Bakur Kabri Uhinyotrap has urged the people of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills to make an informed and responsible decision when electing their representative for the 2 Autonomous District Council in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills on February 21, 2025. On February 18, 2025, by Erwin Kis Im Sutanga, the working president of Sinjuk Kirang Bakur Kabri Uhinyotrap, emphasized that a wrong choice by the voters could lead to the opening of the opportunities for individuals who do not uphold the community's values. He said that a mistake by voters now can lead to future consequences. According to the intelligence report, Batesi Suyam is a candidate who has already secured victory in the MDC election for the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, as claimed by the National Secretary of the National People's Party, Basnyao Bhalangdhar, who is also the Deputy Chief Minister of the state during an election campaign meeting at Tershang village on February 18, 2025 for Batesi Suyam, the NPP candidate from the Modemai Nongkrok constituency. Even so, he said that Batesi Suyam still needs to work hard on February 19, 2025, which is the final day of the election campaign to ensure the victory. And that wraps up today's edition of Kimat Kimat on Batesi TV. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates. And until next time, wishing you a wonderful evening.